Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at a rainbow ring puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Oscar van Deventer. Difficulty level of the rainbow ring puzzle is 8 out of 10 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it again. As you can see, this ring is big enough so that I can fit it on one of my fingers. The ring is a 3D printed puzzle. It is made from 6 different rings, and as you can see, each ring has its own color. That was possible because when you take the puzzle apart, it falls apart into 6 individual rings, and that's the only way how you can make it from different colors. Unlike many other puzzle rings that are usually made like from one chain of rings, when you take it apart, they are still attached to each other. Here you have 6 separate rings, and then you have to put them back together in one big ring. This puzzle is quite fragile, and since it is a 3D printed, it is made from plastic, so be very careful when you are solving it. And once you're done assembling the puzzle, you can put it on your finger again and enjoy it as a regular beautiful rainbow ring. If you like the rainbow ring puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.